So welcome to KB English Tech Friends. Now I would like to finish a quiz. So this is regarding conditional sentences. In English, we have three types of conditions. They are open condition, imaginary condition, and unfulfilled condition. We have one more condition that is a zero condition. Yes. Now we'll see how I'm going to finish the quiz section. See here. What would you do if it dash on your wedding day? If it rain? If she comes, I dash call you. I will call you. If I eat peanut butter, I dash sick. I get sick. What will you do if you dash the history exam? If you fail, if they had not taken, if it snows, will you still drive to the coast? He would have gone with you. This is a condition number three. If I won million dollars, this is a second condition. If I forget her birthday and Andrea gets upset, this is a condition number zero. What will she do if she misses the bus? So this is a condition, first condition. Okay. Now I will check my answers first. See here. Here I got 100 marks. Now how I answered all these questions I'm going to explain. Now have a look. See here. First question. See, what would you do? This is a would plus V1. So this is a past condition, conditional past tense, so that you can use V2 form here. So because this is a condition number two, imaginary condition structure. If there is a would plus V1, the second class should be V2, simple past. Now come to second question. If she comes, if she comes, I dash call you. These are present simple tense and they should be future simple tense. So will plus even already call they gave. So that the answer is will call. Okay, fine. Now come to third question. See here, if I eat peanut, these are present simple tense, and the second should be future simple actually. If it is a present simple tense again, if we have two present simple tenses, that is called zero condition. So answer is get here. So for universal truths, generally we use this zero condition. Yes. Now next question: what will you do if you fail? Will plus v1 here, so the second class should be present simple tense here because it's open condition. Fail is the answer. Okay, fine. Now check here, if they had not had plus v3, so simply you can write taken is the answer. If it snows, this is a present simple tense, the main class should be future simple tense, that is a will plus a v1. Okay, fine. He would have gone, this is a conditional present perfect tense, so conditional present perfect tense with a past perfect tense, that is a third condition, had plus v3. If I won $1,000,000, see here, this is a past simple tense, I would buy, this is a conditional present simple tense, so this is a second condition, imaginary condition. If I forget her birthday, Andrea gets upset. It is a present simple and it is also present simple. If we find two present simple sentences in a sentence, that is a zero condition. So this is a zero condition. What will she do if she misses the bus? This is a future simple tense and this is a present simple tense. She misses. So this is a condition one, open condition. So I put the answer first. Thank you so much, friends.